Hi guys! With spring break underway and a lot of folks going to the beach, I thought some pretty blues and a bit of gold to represent the beach and the sand might be nice for today's painting. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed in my typical swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. Those little gold cells popping through the aqua green are so cute. There's quite a bit of gold shimmer going on too, which I think is quite pretty. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.